Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming your legal name, tax ID, and contact email and why that matters. The certificate ties to exact records. Once you have scanned PDFs of your ID, business registration, and the latest return, create an account on the official tax portal. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication so you can access secure pages. Click the Certificate Application module to start. This first action triggers back-end validation and moves you into the next step immediately. Now complete the application fields carefully. Select entity type, fiscal year, and the exact reason for the certificate because mismatches delay approval. Upload your PDFs. Use clear file names with date and ID so reviewers find documents quickly. Once uploaded, review all entries and submit payment if required. Use card or bank transfer and save the transaction ID. After payment, the system queues a verification check. Patience matters here, but you can monitor status on your dashboard and check messages. When approval arrives, download the issued certificate and verify names and dates right away because errors are harder to change later. If the application is rejected, read the rejection note, correct only the flagged fields, and re-upload within the allowed window to avoid starting over. If something breaks, page errors, or failed uploads, contact support using your application ID and include screenshots. That speeds resolution. Finally, store the certificate in 2 secure locations and note its expiry or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.